show you how to make an analog style bass drum sound with the Arturia MicroFreak. The most basic bass drum sound is just a low pass filter with the resonance cranked to the point of self-oscillation, routed to an envelope to make it go pew. Let's look at a way of effectively implementing that and improving on it with the MicroFreak. There are two components to a good bass drum sound: the low frequency sub stuff and the high frequency click. Let's make part of the click using the modal oscillator type. I'm going to set in harm up to 100 and the timbre around here. You really just want to find something that you like. I'm going to make the decay super short. Just a little click. And let's set the pitch of the oscillator to fall with the envelope, like drums do. Next, let's get some sub. We'll do this with the traditional resonance method. But since we have this nice click that we just made, I'm not going to use the low pass filter. I'm going to use a high pass filter instead. So I'm going to crank the resonance up. And I want to make the bass drum work in different keys. So I actually want it to change pitch when I hit different keys. So let's set keyboard tracking to 100. And let's make this frequency fall so it sounds like a drum also. Okay, so it sounds kind of like a bass drum, but let's make it more aggressive by beefing up the high frequencies. We'll do that by using the cycling envelope as a second envelope. So we'll make the pitch come from really high and fall super quickly and then kind of fall slowly like it is right now. Set this to envelope mode. And we're done. Now just set your decay to whatever you want it to be.